world champions. It's happening here in the stands.
A million miles away.
Three-run walk-off home run!
Clubhouse of the world champion.
It is strike three!
Are the world champion!
There's a high drive, big right, center way back. Might be out of here. It's off the wall. One run is in. Two runs are in.
Here comes the throw, and it's outside! Good! And the Giants have won the pennant again!
Oh!
The world champions. It's happening here in the stands.
Champions of the National League! Tampa Bay, yes!
Swing and a miss, and that's it! World champions as they come pouring out of the dugout.
Are you kidding me?